Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My friend Rosaria is from Central America. She adopted my fast cooking system, and she cooked an interesting dish that is stir-fried chicken with black bean. She first stir-fried chicken with onion and carrot, and then she adds black bean to the dish. I really like the outcome of this dish, so I'm going to demonstrate it in this video. This dish is a great example of fusion approach because I have never seen any Chinese stir-fried dish that use this kind of black bean. Actually, this dish is very simple. It just uses the traditional templates for cooking the stir-fried chicken. I started with some carrot to add both color and texture to the dish. I used the chicken that I already prepped in advance, and I coat the chicken with cornstarch. I'm going to shallow fry the chicken to give them a slight crispy breading. I'm going to use a pair of tongs to spread out the chicken as much as possible. This method is excellent because it will also give the chicken a tender and moist texture. So with this dish, I basically start out using my basic template for stir-fried chicken. If you don't want to use cornstarch, you can substitute it with potato starch or arrowroot starch. And next, I'm going to add some chopped onion to the wok. I have the onion already prepped in advance. By this time, you can see the chicken is almost half cooked. I'm going to use my wok spatula and stir-fry everything together. And at this point, you notice that some of the cornstarch stuck to the bottom of the wok and start to get burned. But don't worry, you can dislodge them easily by just adding a little bit of water right over the burnt portion. As you can see by using the wok spatula, you can easily remove this burnt material. This is a great trick for prevent food burning too much on the surface of the wok. And next, I'm going to add a can of black beans. Don't drain the fluid in the can because that makes a good sauce for the dish. Since the black bean is already cooked, all you have to do is to warm it up. I try to add the black bean to the wok when the chicken is almost 80% cooked. This way, I will not overcook the chicken. I'm going to taste test the chicken and decide how I'm going to season the dish. I'm going to season the dish with a combination of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce, which is something that I am familiar with. However, I might try to use a different seasoning when I cook this dish next time. This is my approach of flavor chasing. I decided I'm going to add a cornstarch suspension to thicken the dish. The cornstarch suspension is 1 part of cornstarch to 3 parts of water. I think the thicker gravy-like sauce will go well with rice. I did a quick taste test, and I decided I think I would like to give the dish a little bit more spicy flavor. So I decided that I'm going to add a little bit of paprika, and then I'm also going to add a touch of lemon pepper. This is the flexibility in the flavor chasing that you can continuously make adjustment to look for the flavor that you think will work best for the dish. Okay, with a few quick stir, the dish is ready. The total cook time is a little bit over 5 minutes. I'm very glad that Rosaria showed me how to cook this dish because I would never thought of using this combination before. This is truly a fusion approach because I don't think you will ever find a dish like this in a Chinese restaurant. This dish from nutritional standpoint is excellent because black bean is rich in plant proteins as well as rich in dietary fiber. Actually, in this dish, the black bean makes an excellent substitution for tofu, which is the main source of plant protein in stir-fry. Finally, I'm going to garnish the dish with a little bit of scallion. This dish is excellent in flavor. I think both adults and children will like this dish, and it also nutritionally complete. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.